Hey guys, it's TechBoss back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you on how to change your YouTube theme to the new YouTube dark theme. And it's really simple, so follow me through and I'll teach you how to enable the dark theme on the YouTube website as well as on mobile. So the first thing you want to do when you're on your desktop, you go onto your default browser and you go onto www.youtube.com, of course. And once you're on the website, then you go straight on and click on to the icon where it displays your profile photo and your icon, whichever you choose for your Google account. You click on this and then you will see dark theme, and it will either say on or off. Now my dark theme is enabled, so mine is on. Then if I click on this, it changes back to white. Then when I click this back again, then it will change back to black. And that is simply it for the desktop. Now for mobile, it's really different, and it's still simple, but it takes longer. So first, make sure that you have the correct version of YouTube. Now the latest YouTube version is 13.50.52. That's 13.50.52. That is the latest version from 14th of December. And then what you want to do is you'll see the YouTube interface while you see the app, and then again you click on your icon, just how we did in the desktop version, and you will see my channel, time watched, get YouTube premium, and you'll see all these options of your account. You want to click on settings and it will show general, autoplay, downloads, watch on TV, and all those, where you can control your history and privacy and billing and payments. And yeah, these are the settings. You just want to click on to general, and then you'll see a few options: remind me to take a break, dark theme, and limit mobile data usage. You want to enable dark theme, and boom, YouTube will turn dark on your phone. Now I'm going to state some of the benefits of the dark theme. The dark theme helps reduce eye strain when using the YouTube app. So if you are a YouTube addict and you look on your phone a lot, the dark theme will reduce eye strain. So I guess it won't damage your eyes as much as the white background. Now, please keep in mind, when you get used to using the dark theme, any other white backgrounds will hurt your eyes, because I got used to a lot of dark theme on different applications, and after that, whenever I saw like a white background, I really felt something weird, and you'll understand once that happens to you. But I hope I helped you out. Thanks a lot for watching. If you did, appreciate me by subscribing to this channel and liking the video. I hope to see you next time. There's 2 uploads in a row. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Until then, take care and peace out.